Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get LinkedIn profile URL. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. It can also be done through a mobile phone. Just navigate to any browser, go to www.linkedin.com and log in using your user credentials. Now, you'll be on home page where you'll have to just click on the Me icon at the top right and click on View Profile. Now, when you click on View Profile, your profile will be shown at this page. In order to get your LinkedIn profile URL, you'll have to simply click on this pencil icon just right here that says Public Profile and URL. Click on this pencil icon and it will take you to this page where you can easily edit your custom URL. You can click on this pencil icon and edit your URL if you want to. Now, if you don't want to edit it, you can just go back to the previous page and copy this profile URL from just right here. Now, another simple way to get your profile URL is through contact info button on your profile page. Simply click on the contact info button here. Now, it will show up your contact information where your LinkedIn profile URL will be listed here and your email will be listed at the bottom. Simply right click here and click on copy link and this will instantly copy your LinkedIn profile URL. When you'll paste and hit enter, your profile will open up. So that is a simple way to get your LinkedIn profile URL. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.